Namaste Bharat. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitra Cars. I am DC Raghuwar. Yesterday in Hyderabad it was full of rain. It was pouring like cats and blue, and I have while I was coming back home, I have seen many cars stuck, not getting started, got flooded, got waterlogged, hydrostatic, everything, and none of them know what important you should not do. Today's topic is on that. Let's fasten our seatbelt for the topic today on insurance claim in rainy season in flooded cars or hydrostatic lock. Number one, you should see that your exhaust is seen. If the water is more than the exhaust, or while you are driving in the flooded water, if you find a sound like bud gud bud and bubbles coming from the exhaust, that means you are going into danger level, and there is always chances the water from the exhaust or from the front, the air pipe will get into the engine and the engine will stop, and it is called technically hydrostatic lock. Once that is done, whatever you do, you will not get insurance. It's very clear. Any insurance company will not give you claim for the insurance. Whatever the cost, engine, whatever it is, you have to bear from your pocket. That's very important, very dangerous to know. So what precautions you should take? Number one, if your car is standstill in a parking and it is fully covered with water, please don't start the car. Don't put the keys and start. Don't ignite. Very clear. Just call the company person, OEM person, or the towing van and take it to the showroom or workshop. They will repair it. They will get the water clean, everything, and you will get, the car will be running. The minute you started the car, let's say you started the ignition, right? If the car is not starting, because you are in the travel, so you will not know. Once you feel that you want to start and it is not starting, that means the water is sucked in and it's gone to the engine, and the insurance will not be claimed. Even if you have nil-dip insurance, bumper to bumper, return to invoice, or flood coverage, everything will not have an insurance claim. You cannot claim the insurance. Insurance company will reject your insurance claim. So if you are going through flooded water, make sure you are careful, number one, with a level which should not cause the exhaust, and but precisely it should be in the your wheel base should be 50% of that is water. And I've also mentioned in the previous video about how many meters should be there for an SUV, for a hatchback or a sedan. Please go through that video and make sure this precaution is taken while driving in flooded water. Happy driving, safe driving. Whenever you plan to buy a new car or a pre-owned car, you have any clarification today to get information, and on GST also what discounts you are getting, what price reduction, please call on 99518 99518. Think of cars, think Chitra Cars. Please, if you like this video, share it to your friends and relatives, and make sure we cross 1,000 subscribers. Happy driving, safe driving. Thank you.